Here is daddy food. Bread and
Chicken.
chicken. And cucumber. And there is mine. There is.
Same game again, Super Tycoon.
Really?
Yeah,
Uh-oh.
we're gonna run like this.
No. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. And today I making a mango shake. Here is mango. And we clean up this first. And then I put ice this blender. Put ice. This 2 cups and half I put ice, and then there there's the mango. Don't worry, my hands is already washed, not dirty. Okay. After the mango, and then I get a milk. Okay. And I just estimate how much I put, or how much you like to put a milk. I like only that. And then I put 2 spoons of sugar so that have little bit taste. I like have a little bit sugar. Here is sugar. 2 spoons. And then put the cup here. Just wash. Yeah, and then I turn on the speed blender. Here is. You have grabber? Yeah. Okay, you turn on her.
This time?
I not know, maybe stuck ice this here. Okay. Okay, that's it. What you doing, RJ?
Tending my nose.
You a monster now? No, you a monster. Drink a mango shake. RJ? No.
Let's pause.
Pause. It's mixed up. Okay.
No.
Not milk.
That's good. I just do a little bit.
Yeah. It's done.
See
Here is
me
the
in-
mango shake.
And you see me,
Wow,
guys? You see
so-
me in the video too?
Yummy look, RJ.
You see me in the video?
Yeah, I see you. Yes. There, look at that. Good for summer. In the hot sun. Here. Here's 3 minutes cook and then stir and you cook again 2 minutes on high. It's my dinner tonight. There is,
I'm coming down.
and I open this. And this here is slit here. Slit like that.
Get a knife and slice it open.
Put in microwave.
Microwave.
Put in microwave here.
Numbers.
2 minutes here. And there is done. Need one more cook. Was so hot. And this one I give to daddy. You like this mango shake? Ito bonus from. Ayan. It's ready to eat. Let's see if it's cooked now. At that, so hot. There is shrimp and broccoli. See, that's it, my dinner, guys. And let's eat. Eat dinner. There is white rice, adobo, chicken adobo, and TV dinner. This is mango shake. That's my dinner for tonight, guys. Let's eat. Kainan na. What? Yummy. It's good. I like this baby dinner because it have a mix of shrimp and broccoli. This is shrimp. And broccoli. So good. Mango shake. I like it. Good mango shake if summer here in America, but if winter, no good mango. No good the mango because of winter. Not so yellow. I just eat alone because my husband is already eat. And RJ, he eat only a burger and apple and waffle he eat. That's why guys, I'm alone. Maybe you wonder, I'm alone eating here. I like it. I like the mango. Yummy. Enjoy partango. Here we eat in the morning on the snacks, and afternoon snack, and then dinner is full meal dinner. But most in the morning, afternoon, and the snack you eat. You not make you a fat. Because it's so hard to lose your weight if you make you fat. That's why in America mostly look like you're eating a snack, not a full meal you eat. Not like in Philippines, every day have rice and whatsoever you eat there. But here, if you have a pizza, that's your dinner or lunch. You eat here. I like it. See that? It's yellow. In the winter, it's not like this yellow, the mango. That's why winter I not buy mango because so bad. Only for summer, because that is good mango. RJ,
What?
eat now. My dinner is 9 o'clock now. Almost 9. 8:30. But outside still light up. Not yet dark. 8:38 p.m. now here. In Philippines, 6 o'clock is dark. But here, still have light. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.